In today's video, I will walk you through how to check status of orders in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the Recent Orders widget so you can view the status of your orders directly from your Robinhood Legend workspace. First, go to Robinhood Legend and look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In this section, locate the Add Widget button. Once you find it, click on Add Widget to open the available widget options that can be added to your layout. After opening the widget menu, look for the widget labeled Recent Orders. You can scroll through the available widget list until you find it. Once you locate Recent Orders, click on it to add it to your workspace. After selecting it, the new widget will automatically appear on your screen inside the Robinhood Legend layout. You can then view your recent order activity directly from this widget without leaving the main trading screen. Inside the Recent Orders widget, you will be able to see the status of your current and recent orders. This includes orders that are still pending, as well as orders that have already been completed or closed. The widget will also display closed orders from the last 24 hours so you can quickly review your recent trading activity from one section. If needed, you can reposition the widget within your layout after it has been added to the screen. The Recent Orders widget will remain available in your workspace so you can continue checking order activity directly from Robinhood Legend whenever needed. As new orders are placed, they will appear inside the widget automatically. This allows you to monitor updates and review completed activity directly from the Recent Orders section. If you have multiple widgets open on your screen, you can continue using the layout while keeping the Recent Orders widget visible for quick access. Once the widget is added, you can return to your charts, watch lists, or other sections while the Recent Orders panel continues displaying your latest order information. That is how you check the status of orders in Robinhood Legend by adding the Recent Orders widget to your workspace.